anyone who's a believer in firefighting needs to fight the fires even before they start.
This course will equip firefighters with the tools to leverage their existing fireground knowledge to have more impactful interactions with their community by implementing research-based education.
Firefighters are the critical connection piece to the community. The people look at us as a resource. There's no better messenger than people that have that degree of public trust.
Firefighters are so eager to be with the community and provide a high level of service, whether it's reactive response or it's education. But we do see a discomfort that exists because they're not really certain what to say. Of course, they have a lot of professional offerings. They can talk about what they've done, but there has been a gap for a while. So we're really excited to be able to steer them towards FSRI's resource that will provide them with the information that will heighten their own level of comfort when they're in these educational situations and fill in the spaces where they need evidence to support what their experience is.
The world around us is changing. Fires are changing, the people that we're working with are changing, the built environment that we have is changing. In order to keep up with that, we have to stay on the cutting edge. Whether it's putting water on a fire or it's teaching the public how to prevent those fires or react to those fires. And the program that FSRI has put together is a tremendous tool to help get us to that point.
Well, this course offers a variety of benefits to us as the firefighter. FSRI and our fire prevention bureaus have done such a great job with getting the message of public education out to schools, out to homes and families. We on the response side have the unique opportunity to meet them where they work and live. This gives us an opportunity to have talking points as we make those contacts in people's homes, at their places of work, to further solidify the education that's been put out there, and how we can continue to have talking points within our own department to solidify our strategies and tactics and take those to the fire ground to support the education message that's being put out there.
Operations and prevention sometimes are seen as two different divisions when we're one fire department. As long as we're making every effort possible, operations with prevention, removing silos and working together, it's about being one team and keeping everybody safe.
The responsibility is now incumbent upon us to ensure that the strategies and tactics, the things that we're instituting on the fire ground, support that message. That when we ask the public to put their faith and trust in us and follow what we say to do, that we support those things and we ensure that they know that we are coming for them with the most aggressive and sound tactics to give them and their loved ones the best opportunity.